Hey there, YouTube. My name is Jeff, and I am a PCT section hiker. Yes, I know the hierarchy. I know section hiking isn't as cool as through hiking, but it's all I could fit into my life. I started section hiking the PCT in 2022, and I've been working my way north about a month at a time every year since then. In 2024, I hiked the Sierra section of the PCT. Late in that hike, I started to develop some nagging pain and weakness in my right knee, but I thought I could hike through it. After finishing the Sierra last year, and after a few months more of denial, I finally went to the doctor and got an x-ray and an MRI. After many months of strength and flexibility physical therapy work, I was back to what I thought was about 80% of my younger self. So that's what my aging body is giving me, so that's what I'm going on trail with this year. Okay, I'm here again, where I was last year about this time. I'm doing a trail maintenance project with a group from the Pacific Crest Trail Association. So this will be my shakedown hike for the year. My chance to get out, test out the gear, and get some trail maintenance done. My gear shakedown hike this year was a 4-day trail maintenance backpack trip in the Southern Sierra with a group of Pacific Crest Trail Association volunteers. This was a really great opportunity to give something back to the hiking community, and I will definitely be back for more in the future. To a person, every hiker that we ran into on the trail thanked us for what we were doing, so that was extremely gratifying. I learned a little bit about crosscut buck sawing and had the privilege of working with a great group of dedicated and knowledgeable folks. If you also want to give back to the trail community, contact the PCTA for volunteer opportunities.
It's a little technical. Yeah. But like it's like the first.
So, all the training is done, all the resupply boxes are packed, and all the gear is prepped and ready to go. I hope you have as much fun watching as I had hiking. next 19 hours. Good morning. Jeff here, trail name Wildfire.
Cut! 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 How did this guy get through casting? I want him behind the camera from now on.
Okay, then. Anyway, my plan this year is to take the train to Dunsmuir, California, and then begin hiking at mile 1503 on the trail, and hiking northbound to the Sisters area of Oregon around mile 2002 at Santiam Pass. That is the plan. See you on the trail.